Hello guys, so today we're going to be working on a Nissan Quest 2016. We're going to do it with Autel universal key generated to the Nissan Quest key, and we're going to do the programming with the KM using the OBD dongle. So we're just gonna go to the car. We're gonna place this small thing in the OBD. After a couple seconds, when the VCI logo turns on to green, then we'll be able to press the EMO sign. We can already put the hazard lights on. And we're gonna start waking it up. There, now it did like a beep. I'm gonna press the EMO. And this case is an all key loss situation, but it's gonna be probably the same for adding a key. It tells us to turn on the hazard lights and to close driver door. If we have a learn key, we can put it on. If we don't, so we're just gonna close the door and press OK. We're just gonna let it scan the car. After you got to this place, you're just gonna hit the EMO smart system. We're gonna go remote control learning. We're gonna go with smart key learning. We're gonna open and close driver door once again, and we're gonna press OK. We're gonna press yes. We're gonna press the push to start for 2 seconds till the ignition is on. So we just took the key and pressed the push to start. Ignition came on. We're just gonna press OK. Now it tells us to turn the ignition off, so we're just gonna press the push to start once, and we're gonna press OK. Now we're gonna take the key, we're gonna take the back of it, and we're just gonna press with it on the push to start. And we're gonna look ahead of us to make sure that the car comes to on position. And then you're gonna see the key flashes 5 times, stops, and it asks us if the car came on automatically. We're just gonna press yes. The key programming successfully. Would you like to program another one? In this case, we don't. So we're just gonna press no. It tells us to turn the ignition off. I'm gonna press OK. Then it tells us to take the key again and to put it against the push to start and to press with it. And the ignition comes up automatically. So we're gonna hit yes, turn off the ignition, wait for 3 seconds. Gonna hit yes, key programming succeeded, and you can see it's already working. And we can try starting the engine. So we're pressing the brake, and car started right away. Okay, job is done, you guys.